Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to export ledger confirmation from Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Display More Reports to see additional reporting options. Next, choose Account Books and then Ledger to access the list of all your ledger accounts. This is your starting point for generating the confirmation. Once you're in the ledger list, select the specific ledger account for which you need the confirmation. After selecting, press Alt+E on your keyboard to bring up the export menu. From the options, choose Current to export the currently displayed report. You'll then configure the report details, such as the financial period and the specific content to include. Now, you'll select your preferred export format. Tally Prime offers various options like PDF, Excel, or even JPEG, depending on your needs. Next, specify the exact file path where you want the exported document to be saved on your computer. It's always a good practice to review all the export settings one last time to ensure everything is correct before you confirm the action and generate the file. Finally, open the exported file from the specified location to thoroughly verify its contents. Double-check that all the data is accurate, complete, and matches your requirements for the ledger confirmation. This crucial step ensures the integrity of your financial records. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial understanding, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.